Wow. Sinalit yung entrance.
Let's go. New
What
creature.
the hell?
Oh, there's a beehive.
Oh, never mind. Wait, saan yung entrance?
There's a beehive, boys.
Hindi ko memorize entrance.
Let's go. Over here, I think. What the? Nawala na sila?
Wait. Wala si Ed.
What the hell? Edwin is just grinding. What the hell? Nakita ko ikaw, Breezy, you're running from here. Yeah, it's like somewhere around here. Yeah, this one.
Oh,
What the hell is this? Why is there a giant boulder?
It's an entrance.
And
There.
then it's over here. The? Oh,
The heck?
this
Yeah,
one, this
entrance.
one, this one. Alright.
Go.
Oh!
Oh, sh... Ano
Pre, what the hell was that?
Ano yun?
I don't know! What the hell was that? What the hell was that, dude? Near
Oh, fuck.
activity.
Asin?
Near activity dead. Oh!
Russell!
What was that, dude? What the hell was that?
Hindi ko rin nakita. Wait. Let me try again.
Near activity detect.
Tamper.
Thumper.
Ay sila Ed.
Ayun na.
Go down.
Seriously.
Oh, yo, don't go.
There's a
Too late. I already know.
there's a nigga there.
Guys,
What?
Bracken room.
Son.
Wait.
Bracken rooms is the Bracken room.
Ah, hell nah.
I
No,
remember
No, that's
this.
it, bro.
Ah, okay.
Ah, like sick.
And apparatus, guys.
Saan?
Where the
Never mind. I locked ang puta.
Ah, for fuck's sake.
Ginamit ko na yung key eh.
Gamit mo na yung key.
Yeah. Oh my god, naman nila kagad yung apparatus.
Dude, nasaan ka?
Ayo.
Echolocation?
My big...
What the?
The hell is that?
Oh! Uy!
Ano ka?
Alright. What the hell was that? Dude.
That's the humper. Okay, Russell, let's get the beehive.
Yeah, by the way, I am damaged.
Okay.
I am
So,
not full health.
let's drop off everything good to ship. I'm not going back there.
Yep.
One of us needs to survive, and one of us needs to be greedy. We had the shovel. Where's the shovel?
We could kill that thing with a shovel?
Yes. You can kill everything in this game,
Oh.
except for the.
Up. Wait. Where?
Balik mo na tayo dito, pre. May drop off ka bang items?
No. None. I literally got none.
Okay. Buhay pa ba sila?
I don't know. Let's check it. Oh,
Patay sila.
they did?
Sige, tala, Russell, kunin natin ta.
Yung loot nila?
Yeah. Hindi, kunin natin yung beehive. So, ang gagawin ko is, lalapit ako sa beehive, tapos kukunin mo, babalik ka sa ship, tapos
Wait,
i-close mo yung door ng
where's the
mabilisan.
beehive? Ayun yun. Wait, those are locusts.
Right? Ito. Right here. So, lalapit ako.
Oh my
Eh, di ikaw na yung lumapit. Sige. Oh, shit! Oh,
Go on,
shit!
go on, let's go, let's go.
Oh, shit!
Get out of here. Ugh. That's
Well, at least I
disgusting.
got food.
Put it down.
Pre, putang ina. May tamper tapos si ano, Freddy.
Pre, what the hell? What? We have one day, tapos we only have 135.
Maulit tayo, gusto nyo?
Nah, just
Hindi.
keep
Ano natin yung quota?
Okay, experimentation, assurance. Assurance na lang? Kasi yung...
What do you mean?
Okay, I guess we're back to battle.
Oh, fuck. Pakula akong ano, torch, ano. Roof.
Alright. Let's go.
Where entrance?
Okay. Sundan natin si Edwin.
Wait, what? Nawala siya.
Dude, he just disappeared from the... Oh. What the... Oh, over here. Main entrance.
Hindi ko makita. Okay na.
Tapos yung fire entrance andun sa baba. Ano?
And yung fire exit.
Dead end daw yung fire exit.
Kailangan na bumukas ang pintuan.
Oh, oh, V.
Oh,
Then
kaya dito.
get it. May loot dito sa labas. Well, get it, old phone.
Hindi ko makuha. May bottles.
It's so freaking dark. I wish they can have.
Yung may loot dito.
Yep, soda.
Tara, balik sa ship.
Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here. In and out.
Wait lang, guys. We're supposed to disable the bomb.
What the hell?
What?
Where is he? Edwin?
Bakit? Dito.
What?
Fuck.
Ano yun? What is that sound? What was that sound? What was that sound?
Hindi ko alam.
It sounded like somebody was typing. Tara.
Kaso? Gago.
What the hell? How are we still alive? What the heck? Ano yun? Masyado tayo mabigat?
Oh, may yan dito, Biag.
We took a lot of damage though. That's not a beehive, those are locusts. What the hell just happened?
Oh, fuck.
What just happened?
Oh, fuck. Ito yan.
What the? Oh, I think is he dead?
Ano? Mimic ata.
Is?
Mimic. Patay si Carl.
Patay na si Carl.
Si Ed, I'm not sure.
What is that?
Baka mimic.
How?
Wait.
Mimic this early on?
Yeah, Ed's dead. Libes.
Pre, we need to have 556 total.
Oh, he's suffocated. What?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Butot?
Tara, company.
Report to the company building immediately to sell your scrap metal and other goods. You have 0 days left to meet the profit quota. You can use the terminal to route the auto metal to the company building.
We can sell everything.
Let's go.
Kung gusto nyo, para mabili tayong teleporter.
Teleporter.
I want teleport.
And the cycle.
Oh. 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 Okay. Stop. God.
We value your commitment.
Stop. Don't anger.
Bro! Bro!
Bakit?
Bro!
What?
Bro!
What? What?
Bro!
What is this? Ano to?
Yes, perk is the most useless item in the game.
What is it?
It's a fucking
TV?
television.
Eh,
Para saan to?
hindi siya flat screen.
Peke.
Ano to?
Tayo manood ng cartoons.
Hindi.
Is the entity being aggressive?
Sige.
Are you injured? Do you need assistance? If the answer to
Listen
all of these
natin.
questions is yes, you begin your self-defense measures. If the crew member is stressed, strike a question like, how
Tayo
was your day?
cartoons.
Thank you for your cooperation and happy travels.
What is that? Pusa ba yan?
Ano yan?
May pusa yan.
Yan.
Pusa yan.
If
Oh,
an
no.
entity has come in contact with a crew member, please refrain from immediate self-defense. Instead, ask the crew member the following. Is the entity being aggressive? Are you injured? Do you need assistance? If the answer to all of these questions is yes, you begin your self-defense measures. If the crew member is stressed, strike a question like, how was your day? Thank you for your cooperation and happy travels.
Huwag mo na cartoons. Ulit-ulit lang.
You see sanity. Oy! Oh!
Ano yung pusa?
May pusa! What the hell? That's crazy.
If
Magkano
an
yan?
entity has come in contact with a crew member, please refrain from immediate self-defense. Instead,
Yan.
ask the crew member the following. Is the entity being aggressive? Are you injured? Do you need assistance? If the answer to all of these questions is yes, you begin your self-defense measures. If the crew member is stressed, strike a question like, how was your day? Thank you for your cooperation and happy travels.
Ulit-ulit lang peke.
Tanis ka, meron na tayong ano. Ano? What moon should we be? What moon should we be in?
Green Rot.
Ano?
Green Rot.
Ano?
If an
Green rock?
entity has come in contact with a crew member,
Green Rot.
it's self-defense.
Pwede mo bang i-ano?
ask the following. Is the entity being aggressive? Are you injured? Do you need assistance? If the answer to all of these questions is yes, you begin your self-defense
Ano to?
measures. If the crew member is stressed, strike a question like, "How was your day? Thank you for your cooperation and happy travels."
Pwede dyan maglagay ng ibang gamit ng mods. We can add more stuff sa TV.
Ano,
We
Breaking
can add more
Bad.
stuff sa TV. Sige.
ano to buying at 100%? Ano to experimentation, assurance, vow. Offense, march. Offense, walang ano. Saan tayo?
Taas muna tayo. Taas
Ano?
muna tayo.
Bakit bumili ng teleporter?
Ikaw bumili nun. Ikaw bumili niyan.
What?
Ikaw bumili niyan.
Come in contact with
What?
Ikaw bumili ka ng mga
What
shit.
this? The fuck?
aggressive. Are you injured? Do you need assistance?
Okay lang yan.
The answer to all of these questions is
Start ka na
What planet?
Wala pa?
How to
Planet
open?
choosing will be done later.
cooperation and happy travels.
This is brain rot. Ano yan? Offense? Experiment.
Quota reached. Wow.
What moon do we need? Ay, 264 tayo ngayon.
If
Okay,
an
nobody
entity is
died.
in contact
Offense.
with a crew member, please refrain from immediate self-defense. Instead, ask the crew member the following. Is the entity being aggressive? Are you injured? Do you need assistance? If the answer to all of these questions is yes, you begin your self-defense measures. If the crew member is stressed, strike a question like, "How was your day? Thank you for your cooperation."
60% off yung shovel, oh.
Ano? Kasi from this, parang nakatingin si Carl sa ano, sa TV. Ikaw mo yan o.
Serving.
Ready na ako start ka na. You guys ready?
Yeah,
Offense.
yep.
Go left. Stay mo na ako sa ship.
Ha?
Putin yun yung camera.
I'm gonna stay to the ship.
If an entity is in contact with a crew
Ilan
member,
ka na?
please refrain from immediate
I'm
self-defense.
gonna use the fire
Instead,
exit.
ask the crew member the following. Is the entity being aggressive? Are you injured? Do you need assistance? If the answer to all of these questions is yes,
Talon kayo dito. Talon. Talon.
Offense.
Yeah.
Hindi ko memorize yung map.
Okay lang yan. Just hug the walls. Just keep hugging the walls.
Offense.
Then just keep turning left. The wall na yan, just keep turning left. You can go through that.
Oppressor.
The oppressor.
Open na yung ano, walkie-talkie.
Isa lang ang walkie-talkie natin. What the heck was that?
Dahil?
Ano yan?
Pumpkin.
May lumilipad. Ay, bumili. May binili si Edwin. Hello.
Try not to die challenge.
Oh, may engine dito.
Kunin mo. Ang ayaw ko dito pag meron ng mga landmines.
Big Black Mega Balls.
Yo, Ed.
Big Black.
Big block na lang narinig ko.
Dead end dyan, dead
Big
end.
Black Mega Balls.
Anong dead end? No, it's not.
Dito kayo, dito kayo. Dito kayo, dito.
May
kayo.
bomba ako
Oh,
naririnig.
Dito, pre. Dito kayo.
Saan?
Oh, dito kayo.
Saan ka?
Ear nigga. Dito ka. Dito, dito.
Oh! No, no, no.
Diretso ka lang.
No, no. Ito din oh, meron din dito oh.
Hop!
Pag! Oy, may
Wala,
turret! Walang hiya.
Oh,
Oh,
allergic.
allergic
Ano to?
rhinitis.
Ano
Ano
to?
yun? Ano yun?
Something happened.
Hello, boys. Hello? Hello?
Entrance.
Hello? Hello?
Ito, pre. Tignan mo ako.
May regalo.
Baba ako, baba ako. Sa baba ako. Dito ako, dito yung exit. Dito yung fire exit.
What?
Sabay na lang tayo. Fire exit na lang tayo lahat.
Saan ka? Ahead.
What the hell?
Baba kami, pre. Lahat kami ng mga tropa. Ang tropa nandito. Russell, wala kang dala, di ba? Our spagers, may space ka pa, di ba?
Yeah.
Ah,
Meron
no.
pang
Yeah, meron ako.
meron pang
Pwede mo extension ladder.
meron pang
Yeah,
engine. May engine
Kunin natin.
stuff dun sa main ano.
Kunin natin. I just need you guys to get.
Hindi ko makuha to. Fuck.
Ito,
Yeah,
guys.
ano?
Glitch
What
yan.
are you getting? There's nothing
Drop
here.
mo nga yun, Russ. Drop the apparatus. Okay.
Wala nang glitch yan. Bumba na kayo.
Sa may ano, main entrance meron.
There's still more.
Yeah. Kunin na lang natin. I'll be shipped that for now.
What the hell?
Be careful tayo dito, mamaya may dog. Actually, 1 o'clock pa lang. Pwede pa.
May do.
Heck,
Ube.
Kube. Andito yung main entrance. Or saan ba?
Yeah, wait lang. Mamaya na natin kunin yan. Russell deposit muna.
Kube. May kube. Kube.
Saan si Kube?
Dati tinamaan natin si Kube, nag-squirt siya. Nag-squirt siya ng black ng yung last time, Carl, yung tinamaan natin yung aso dun sa Titan.
Black and good notes.
Shovel naman natin shovel.
Let's go.
Watching niya. Nawala ka ba? Nawala ka ba?
Sino? Hello?
Maybe sa entrance.
Ano?
Yan na. Bilis sa entrance.
Meron sa entrance?
Nauna natin lahat ni Josh yung sa entrance. I think ako na natin lahat.
Balik na tayo. Okay.
Balik na lang kayo guys. By the way, mag-ingat kayo kasi mamaya may mag-spawn. Panayos ng Josh ako ngayon. Josh, huwag kang titingin sa likod. Josh, mga takbo! Takbo!
Ah, he did.
Liga. I know.
I mean, pre, may gang behavior yan. Gang behavior. Di sila lalapit sa atin. Dalawa tayo.
Ayan ba yung dog?
Hindi, para siyang rat. Pero, as long as tatlo tayo, hindi niya tayo atakihan.
Ano, ako si Arnel. Come here.
What the...
Eat you.
I will...
Okay, if Joshua dies.
Come on,
Joke lang.
Come on.
Gago na saan si Carl?
What the...
Bumalik siya ng entrance.
Ay, Gagi, sabayan mo. Sino man kasama ni Carl ngayon, sabayan niya siya.
Uy, halika kayo, halika kayo. Alin na kayo.
Balik. Ay.
Pigag.
Open niga.
Liga.
Ano yung tumatalon?
Si Kube. Si Kube lang.
Ano yun?
Ready?
Ito naman eh.
Si Kube.
O, di ako namatay ngayon.
We alive.
Offense is the best. Offense talaga yung maangas.
I'm not
Muna cartoons.
Okay na.
Grade A.
Okay, check the boots again. Dila wala namatay. We could use offense again. We could go to March or we could go to Valor.
If an entity has come in contact with a crew member,
Ikaw.
please
Offense na lang
refrain
ulit.
from immediate self-defense.
Mas safe tayo.
Instead, ask
Safe tayo lahat sa offense.
Okay.
Fire exit ulit ako. Also charge your shit.
Yung? Dadala ba ako nito?
May dala ka na ng shovel. By the way,
Daban.
Russell, yung shovel,
Yeah.
tapos muna tayo na hitting. Tamaan mo ako. Go. Dapat, pag hit mo, siguraduhin mo na dapat may backwards momentum ka.
Paano may backwards momentum?
Parang tinatansya mo, kailan mo siya atakihin. Like whenever you're gonna hit somebody, hit, takbo, or just keep going backward.
I'm not even
Parang
hitting
PvP.
any of you.
1v1?
How are we not
1v1 server, Little Company. Duel server.
We need to kill the nutcracker.
Ah, that's impossible. I'm not doing that.
Hindi we can. We can.
He's too powerful.
Buy the... Oh.
Let's start.
Huh?
Buy the... ano na nga yun, the stun gun. I heard that it can fuck it up.
Pwede. Everything can be fucked up with a stun gun.
Go.
Let's go.
I heard it.
Yeah.
Did you charge your devices?
Yeah, we did. Bakit ang bigat naman ng shovel na to? 19 pounds?
Nakilis yan, 8. 9. Pampatay kasi. 1v1 the monster.
Ito kasi yung i-ano natin, yung pang bury natin kay Jerome. Oh, patay! Yep. Patay na agad siya, Lods. Yan. Kunin mo yung flashlight niya, Carl.
Binaril ata siya.
Uy! Binaril ata nga siya.
Oo. Flashlight na ako.
Wait.
Snipe siya.
Get sniped, nigga. Dito, Carl. Ay, may baril din dito. Pre.
Crazy naman tong mapa na.
Wait lang, maraming ganap. Nakon ba yung flash? Yun. Oh,
Wala, dead end.
ilabas na nga
Dead
lang
end
natin
dito.
yung engine na to.
Go!
Ano yan? Ba't ang raming baril?
Absolute here. They're not too active.
Labas na tayo, Kurt.
Dito.
Yo, we got ambushed by freaking turrets. Breezy is dead.
Okay, I'll be shipped that.
Wala mo yan, Kurt? Ano kay Breezy? Ano magbubro? Ako nang bubuhat kay Breezy. Pagkapasok ko is dead.
Na-snipe agad.
Gusto mo ko
I'll be
yung
shipped that
shotgun.
after this exhibition. Okay.
gusto ko makuha yung shotgun. Para it's time to bring the fear to the monsters.
Doom.
Doom. And those who took the bite of his soul named him the Doom Slayer.
Let's go. Hindi na ako yung most useless.
Well, that's unfortunate news.
Yeah, I already told you he's dead. Tara.
I'll go back to the fire exit if you guys want.
Ilabas mo lahat ng loot dyan.
Affirmative.
On the way na kami. Tara, tara.
On the way to where?
Fire exit, sabi mo.
Okay, you know how to use a ladder trick, right? There's a ladder right there in the fire exit.
Ah, okay.
Guys? Guys, I'm above the ship and I might die. Never mind, I didn't die. Who died?
Breezy.
Priscilla.
Reason why.
Died. He
Ah,
died with
fire
the
exit?
dignity.
Fuck na natin katawan niya.
Run, let's go.
Tara.
Let's get more.
Somebody needs to stay at ship though.
Why?
In case all of us wipe. Okay, Carl, you stay at the ship. I'm an intuition. Trust your intuition. By the way, recharge your stuff.
Stay daw ikaw dyan, Kurt.
Stay there. Russell, I need you to help me get a Vin engine. And there's like a bit more. Yeah, there's another engine I need to get inside of the dungeon. Anong ka? Nice ass, boy.
Let's ask.
May dyan engine. Iwan mo lang yan dito.
Yeah.
Down. Okay, maybe no? No? Go back, go back.
What do you mean? Bakit?
Comfort. Just bring that thing home. Also, to cross back home, just cross this bridge. Cross the bridge.
You cross the bridge. Which bridge? Which bridge? This is not a bridge, first off. Nigga Breezy did.
Kita mo yung camera. Russell, just jump off if you're near the ship. Don't jump!
I just did, and it hurt me real bad.
Just jump, not jump.
Jump.
Sige ba,
Need to
isa
jump.
pang... Sige, isa pang trip, or wag na? Wala na tayong greedy.
Need to jump.
I mean, we can. Our lives doesn't really matter.
Now, we need a teleporter if I'm gonna do that. Okay, let's go.
Sige, let's get out of here.
Gusto ko kumain.
Sarap.
Okay na. Smash. Check the moons. Pwede tayo mag-offense ulit.
Offense or ewan ko.
He also offers.
Hello? Fuck.
You got sniped, Breezy.
Ang bilis ng turret, niga.
Yeah, you got sniped.
Pwede naman. Anyways, you guys ready? Offense ulit tayo kung gusto nyo.
Pwede naman.
Or if you guys wanna do a breaker challenge.
And then
Sige.
mag-titan tayo.
Dapat malaki group natin.
Yeah.
Step bro, I'm stuck. Step bro. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Ay, ikaw
I'm
pala.
stuck. I'm
Ay,
stuck.
stuck.
Tanda ko tuloy yun. Inulit-ulit ni Arnel yung I'm stuck. Reset. Step
Shall we?
bro.
Georgina ba? Russell?
Yeah.
Ay. Remember to charge.
Yung muna phone.
Holy shit! What the fuck?
Hindi mo
Bakit?
low pa.
Ano meron?
Oh
Why is it
fuck.
raining?
Guys.
Yung muna ang phone.
Why is it raining?
Guys,
I'm glitching out. Guys, I'm
stuck.
Tara.
I got out of the map.
Restart.
I got out of the map.
Oh shit! Ano yan?
Ano natin camera na?
My
Oh.
thunder? The fuck?
Brown out.
Restart.
Nag-crowd out.
Oh, nasa entrance na ako.
Restart. Baka tayo kasi nag-glitch ako.
Holy shit. Everything.
Bro, I
Where
got
is
killed.
everything?
I got out of the map.
Okay na. Ano niya?
Ano yan?
Nasa ka. DLC.
Uy!
I can see
Kapag niya yung kandila. Kailangan natin masindi.
Inatake kami. Being attacked by Zeus. Ano pre, tara takbo tayo.
Oh.
Huwag tayo
Phasers.
mamatay. Wait,
Phasers.
wait, ibaba ko tong ano. Okay, let's go. YOLO.
May V-type engine dito. Dalawa.
Let's go! YOLO, nigga! Uy! Takbo!
Siya din na sa ilalim ng lupa.
Nasa tenet siya, pre. Nasa ano siya.
Inverted na siya.
Inverted siya. Iba yung entropy niya.
Bro, Russell may ano dyan. May leak dyan.
I can confirm na wala na ako sa mapa. I can see the four lands.
Inverted na si ano. Si Edwin. Carl Boy, ha?
Puta mo eh, no? Gagabre.
Ano nangyari?
Tulsik ako.
Ay!
Kinidlatan ako, pre. Patay na ako.
Oh!
Tumulsik ako, lumipad ako. No evidence na sabi nung kidlat. Ang ina talaga.
Yo, maghanap pa ba ako ng loot?
Yan, Ross.
Yeah, I know. Meron pa dito.
Thunder Ray, which means you guys should be careful.
Tanga na. May symbol.
Ano, lines?
May sim...
Wait, dive.
Nigga? Saan yung switch? Yung switch?
Oh!
Okay.
Gago ka.
Takbo!
Takbo ninja, takbo. Eh. nangyari?
Nag-brown out nga. Takbo ba ako? Uy! Help! I need assistance! Paano ka tayo iwi? Shit. Feeling ko pagkababa ko mamamatay ako. No, Carl.
Run!
Ah!
Go, nigga, go.
Go! Go! No! Oy! Oy, I hear that! I hear that! Lord! Oh.
Putang ina.
Pinasama ko!
Putang ina. Lipad. Sarap gago.
Si Edwin nasa... Pre, nasa tenet na nga.
Nasa
talaga.
tenet.
Diba? Pabalik siya oh.
Oh, pre.
Pabalik na siya maglakad. Ay! Went out with the bang.
Saan yung screen ko?
Oh, pre. Nangyari sa'yo?
Napunta siya sa... Na-invert siya, pre.
Invert.
Uy! Ano yun? Ano yun? Ano yun? What was that?
Flashback.
G1 Intel Company Minecraft Dual Server.
Tara, PvP. Hindi na natin to i-save. PvP kaya tayo, gusto nyo?
71 and 40. Alright. Put more shit there, boys.
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
Uy! Aray! Uy! Uy!
You are true professionals.
Stop! Don't kill me! Stop! Excuse me.
Hindi mo na-teleporter?
Bilhin mo na.
Quiet, Ed.
Pre, baka mamatay ka dyan, Carl.
Gago,
Hindi niya ako dinukot.
Wag! Kaya ako bumili. Kailangan pa natin bumili.
Ang takal porn.
Oh, nice.
I like.
Hindi pwede jetpack.
No, no, no.
Wala, useless naman yun. Yung, bilhin mo yung stun gun pag pupunta tayo sa Titan. Para mas stun natin
Alternate
yung...
na lang kayo. Gusto mo?
Para mas stun natin yung nutcracker, tapos kunin natin yung baril niya.
You guys are gonna die with something else anyways. Might as well buy the stun grenade.
Sige. Does that
Yung picture bilhin ko.
work? Para sa ano?
Stuns the guy. Para siyang flash bomb.
Yung parang...
Bilhin ng boombox kasi para funny shit.
For fun.
Can you guys help me bring this stuff?
Tulungan mo daw sa... Tulungan mo daw sa Edwin Card.
Anong gagawin?
Kunin yung gamit dun.
Ano gagawin?
Yung gamit
Ay,
lang
kukunin.
yan.
Okay.
Wala yung storage. Oh, nawala!
Yung ano?
Ilagay ng gamit.
Oo. Nasa storage.
Ano ba tawag doon?
Cupboard. Cupboard.
Storage.
Mission yun, ah.
Board?
Cupboard.
Ayun na.
We need a sacrifice.
Cupboard.
Cupboard.
Okay, we need a sacrifice. Medyo redundant naman ito, pero mamatay naman tayo lahat.
Ayun.
Babag ako.
Pre, may tunes na tayo, may... So,
I am yearning for a sacrifice.
sacrifice. Bakit?
We need someone to die so that we could get extension ladder. Pero wag na. Hindi naman worth it.
Hindi ko malagay. What
Yes,
the hell?
We need someone to die para may makuha yung extension ladder. Kita ka PCB?
PvP.
Wait lang, hindi ko malagay ang gamit.
So, what? Wait.
Kailangan. Hindi pa ako ready. Kaya ko na dito lang ng shit.
I want shovel. I want shovel.
Gogi. Patay siya.
Oh my god, they're killing each other. Run!
Umir, Russell.
Oh,
Umir.
oh my god.
Eh, nawanit mo lang ako.
Uy! What?
Ilalak mo ako eh.
Ano? I
Umir.
Oh no! Fuck's sake. What up now, nigga? Oh? Oh? You will not be the victorious.
What? Joke lang!
Mission impossible, bitch! I am the victor! Woo! Ow! Ow! Yeah! Yes, I am the victor! Oh! Oh! I am the victor!
Ras, ibento may katawan.
Ah, wait? Okay.
Tapos bili mo yung extension ladder.
I am the victor. Yes. Joke lang daw, sabi ni Breezy ka, fuck. I am the true warrior. Solid PvP. That is amazing. MLG. Kinakain ako. Okay.
Your
Okay.
work keeps the company happy.
It's a slaughter. Well,
Bilhin mo extension.
I can't even see anything. It's a freaking.
Extension.
There we go. Look at the freaking state of the ship. It's just destroyed. Ano, extension ladder? Bakit nawala yung extension ladder natin?
Oo, na-teleport ako eh.
Oh, it was really okay. Ano pangalan niya? Store. Store. Ayan, extension ladder. Confirm. So, ayun. Okay, we good. I am the Victor Nigas. I am. Goodbye, Orion.
Fucking hell, Russ.
I am the Victor.
Ikaw si Victor.
Let's go.
Uy, meron pa tayong cash. Nice.
I am the Victor.
Di ba kayo? Parang late na rin eh.
Kayo. Ano naman na mag-stop?
One more.
One more.
One more? Sige pa ba, Carl? Ano mo na yung moods?
I don't know. What moon should we be
Mag-download ako ng cheats mods next time ah.
Cheats? Why? What?
Para
We could have fun.
unlimited cash.
What? What's that gonna do for us?
We could buy everything we want and we can go to every moon we want.
Right. Okay.
Because when we go to offense, we don't say default sa bed.
Kayo.
No hard. Alright, ready na ako.
Wait, wala pa si Carl.
Ay,
Always waiting on Carl.
it's life. If you're a bro, you're a bro.
Carl?
Nandito na si Carl.
Sige. Jeep pa daw ikaw?
Sige.
Alright. One more G. Offense tayo. Edwin?
Okay.
Okay. Let's go, niggas.
Sana di mag-glitch. Sa kanina alarm clock mo. Like that.
What the hell was that? Dite. Wala ako flashlight.
Bago may dick-shaped rock dito. Dick-shaped rock.
Dick-shaped rock. Black nigger boys.
Hello?
What's up, nigga? Black nigger.
Narinig,
Narinig ko lang
narinig ko lang
in the distance.
big black.
May number nearby.
Call
Spider
natin.
exit. Recommend.
May flashlight ka, girl?
Wala actually.
What
Muna
the
na ako
hell?
bigla.
You have nothing to your name. Uy!
Oo,
Uy! Uy!
para di sayang.
Nasa...
Nice.
Wait,
Yan. Fire exit na yan.
fire exit. Uy! Uy! Girl! Dito tayo.
I'll be shipped na.
Ano nangyayari?
Russian roulette.
Pre, may bomba dyan. Uy!
Ano yun?
Carl! Carl, may bomba! Ayan oh!
Go around.
Okay, let's go.
Nothing.
Wag. Don't kill us. Destroy it.
May hindi ka. Ayun.
Pwede bang
Takbo,
i-destroy?
takbo mo lang.
Oh, man! What? What? Uy, takbo! Takbo!
Yun yung ginawa ko.
Ano nangyari? What? Uy, takbo!
Okay guys, I'm gonna say what this
Breezy is dead! He did some weird shit. Teleport his body. Pwede mo
Ako
ba
naman.
yan?
Death run.
Wait. Ako. Wait, Carl. Ako. Ako sisira. Kunin mo yan. Haya! Oy!
Please, nagagalit siya.
Uy!
Dinisable na ni Edwin.
Uy!
Okay naman. Nakatulog.
Na may loot pa!
Nantok na.
Uy, Carl!
Nantok na.
Ito, sige.
Ano tayo?
Uy, Carl! Oh my
Tara.
God!
Ayun na.
Venezuela! Tinamaan ko na galit yung turret. Sabi niya, you want to hit me?
Indestructible. Collected na si Spacers.
Nakakatawa yung ragdoll.
Na-juke niya yung turret eh.
Pre, I saw that.
Isang beses lang nga.
Isang beses lang. Sabi ng turret, you cannot sight the deep waters out of me. Nagpasikat pa si ano eh. Breezy oh. Get thrown, bitch.
Guys, babalik ako.
Yeah.
Down sa main entrance.
Sino
Makakuha siya lang ang katawan ko. Ay, lahat.
Sige.
Kasi si mama.
Sige.
Okay lang ako dito. Red health na ako.
Sige. Sama ako sa...
Ako na lang.
Cross my hands, and if I say to teleport me, teleport me.
Sama ako sa'yo.
Or tingnan mo na lang yung monitor. Kita mo yung monitor. Type mo view monitor.
Oh.
Sige, dito na lang oh.
Panoorin na lang natin si Edwin.
Number.
The Pro.
Uy! Uy!
Teleport ba natin si Edwin?
Teleport na ba namin ikaw?
Ayan. Kung may nilito kay Red, teleport yun na ako. Kaya pag sinabi ng teleport yun na ako.
Gilads.
Sige. We got this.
Ano yan?
We... May red
Sige.
dyan.
Oh,
Yan
red
dyan yung
nigga.
red.
Red nigga.
Red nigga.
Disable V9. I mean, disable Y9.
Y9 daw, Carl.
Ano to? Ano ba gagawin? Paano ba yun?
I-press mo Y9. Y9.
Ano why na
Ako na nga. Y9.
Asa terminal?
Oo.
I smell your dick, nigga. You cheating on me?
Okay na.
We smell that shit.
Uy, may loop.
Ano ba yun?
Hindi ko pa na rin. Hindi ko pa alam yun.
Sige,
Sa akin.
sasend ko sa'yo. Let me smell your dick, nigga.
Hot.
Let me smell your dick, nigga. Let me smell that shit. You cheating on me?
What the fuck?
Pro talaga si Edwin.
Tayo mga kaks. Mga kaks tayo, pre.
True pro.
Wait lang.
Don't teleport me. Pakibord na lang kung may mga signs ng enemy. Nakabuhay po ba kayo?
Himala. Breezy got fucked.
Red bars or no?
Na.
Tangina, gusto ko na mag-zomboid kaso wala pang update.
Oh, pre.
Easy.
Gusto ko magkaroon din ng ganito. Proximity shotgun.
Wala gago, mahirap yun. Lagi tayo magkahiwalay. Sa iba city.
Hindi, basta magkaroon tayo ng i-spawn in natin yung radio.
Radio.
Ganda na.
Okay na?
Yeah. Wala na makita.
Okay.
Bakit yung fire exit?
We smell your dick, nigga.
Smell you deep.
Let me smell that shit.
Diyan lang. Tignan ko nga. Sinad mo na, Carl.
Oh, pre. Oh, sinunod ko. Dati may sinunod ako kay Big Babe na meme. Eh, hindi naman ako nagsasend kay Big Babe na meme. Tapos dinilit ko agad.
Ay, GG guys. Mabounce.
Niga. Ayoko na gawin yun. God.
Gawin mo ulit,
We
Breezy.
smell your dick, nigga.
Ano parkour ga?
Let me smell you dick, nigga.
GG guys. Ito na ako.
GG na. GG.
GG.
Goodbye, niggas. Discord
GG
ba ba?
boys.
Oh, pwede naman.
Ingat kayo. Mabounce. Bounce them.